Hey, welcome to Polish with Ray. I'm Rachel, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my polish pickup wish list for this month. I guess it's the month of February. Oh, that's crazy to say. Also, can I just say it feels so good to be recording. This is my first time recording since I've been on my break. If you didn't know, I had a baby about a month ago, and so I took an extended break. All the content I've posted this year has been pre-recorded. So it feels really good to sit down and be talking nail polish again. I've missed you all and I've missed making videos. So we're going to take a look at some items that I'm interested in for this month's Polish Pickup Shop. If you've not heard of Polish Pickup before, it is a monthly collaboration between a lot of different indie makers, and they sell a limited edition polish or item under a common theme. There's nail polish, hand and nail care products, miscellaneous, and then of course you can shop everything all together too. Most of the things we're going to be looking at today are nail polishes. There's quite a few that I'm interested in purchasing. I think I'm definitely going to be buying this month. By the way, if you didn't know, the Polish Pickup Shop is open every month on the first Friday of the month. This month, that is on February 3rd. So all these items will be available starting on February 3rd at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, and they will be available through February 6th. So if you like any of these items that I'm sharing with you, be sure to check out the site. Then I'll have the site and their social media listed down in my description box, but you're not going to want to miss out on these items. There's so many amazing, beautiful ones. Yes, so let's talk about them. The first item that I'm considering grabbing comes from Garden Path Lacquer. It's called It's Full of Stars. This one is going to retail for $13, and it will not have a cap. It's inspired by 2001: A Space Odyssey, and it's described as being a clear base suspended in silver holographic microflakes, iridescent flakes in blue to green and red to orange, and black metallic microflakes. Ooh, this looks so beautiful. I am not typically a big silver polish wearer, although I've been wearing them more often since it is January. I love wearing silvers in the wintertime. But what really caught my attention with this polish are all of those shifty flakies, the red to orange especially. Oh my goodness. They're so beautiful. And I love the black in there as well. Yeah. And I love Garden Path lacquers. I have quite a few of their polishes. I've swatched for them before, but I've purchased a good amount as well because they are really high quality and I always enjoy their polishes. So yeah, that's Garden Path Lacquers. It's Full of Stars. Thinking about getting that one. The next one I'm considering is from Wildflower Lacquer. It's called My Lips Hurt Real Bad. This one's going to be $13. There's no cap for it either. It's inspired by Napoleon Dynamite, which I loved that movie when it came out. Yeah, I thought it was hilarious. This one's described as being a muted teal base with blue undertones and red to gold to green shifting shimmer. This one I want to get mostly because it's a Wildflower Lacquer and I love WFL. And then I also love the inspiration. I'm not 100% sure I need this polish. I'm going to have to check, but I feel like I have something kind of similar in my collection. I want to say some of the Bee's Knees lacquers I have that are kind of like a soft aqua color could be comparable to this. But I do think they are on the more sheer side. And although this one does look sheer, I can see the nail line showing through in quite a few of these swatches. Just a little bit though. I don't know that I need it. This one, I don't know. Did that make sense? This one's more opaque for sure than the Bee's Knees lacquer I'm thinking of. But I just don't need that. Know that I need to. My goodness, I'm rusty, y'all. But this one is gorgeous. So thinking about getting it. Also interested in sweet and sour lacquers. What are you doing in my swamp? This one's going to be $13 and it will be capped at 300 bottles. It's inspired by Shrek and it's described as being a chartreuse base with a blue to green to yellow to gold shimmer. This one just looks so glowy. It wasn't originally on my wish list, but when I saw this photo, this collage, I was very impressed just with all of the shifts. I think the maker did a really good job piecing these together because it just shows off how much dimension this kind of polish has. I don't think I have anything like this in my collection, and I've been really enjoying It kind of looks like a multi-chrome. I've been really into multi-chromes lately. So I may need this one. My goodness. The glow. Yeah, this one's on my wish list. From Painted Polish, or Painted Pretty Polish, sorry. We're not in Kansas anymore. It's going to be $13 and capped at 160. Yikes, that is a low cap. This one's inspired by Wizard of Oz, and it's described as being a green base packed with shifting iridescent flakes and hollow flakes. This one was not even remotely on my radar until I watched Caitlin Swatch's video. When she swatched this one, my goodness, where's her? There we go. It looks so good on her. I just feel like the green jelly base is unlike anything I have in my collection. I love the flakes. I don't have that many greens because you guys know probably I just recently got into greens. So I'm kind of growing my green collection and I don't have a jelly polish with flakes in this shade. So I think I need it. The only thing holding me back is, again, that nail line is a little bit visible. I can even see it in Caitlin's swatch, and her nails are pretty short. So I don't know. My visible nail line is always a problem for me. And I don't know that this is going to give me close to full opacity in 3 coats. I'll think about it though. It's a gorgeous color. Also thinking about getting Polish's contribution this month. It's called There's No Place Like Home. It's going to be $14, which is a little bit on the pricey side. Also inspired by the Wizard of Oz, no cap, and it's described as being a bright ruby slipper red with red to gold microflake shimmer. So I want to say I don't need this. I have so many reds and I love them a lot, but I feel like red is like once you have a few reds, you got a lot of reds, like does that make sense? They all kind of blur together at some point. And I have a lot of red polishes. However, I did not get Wildflower Lacquer. Is it called perhaps a Christmas gourd or something? I didn't get that. I was an idiot. And I have major regrets, and this kind of is reminding me of that. So I might get it. I mean, look at this. Look at that glow. That is amazing. Is it worth $14? I don't know, but it's really, really beautiful. Yeah, I think that's kind of towards the top of my list. I'll probably end up getting that one if I'm being honest with myself. Also thinking of getting Lily Pad Lacquer's contribution. It's called Yeah Baby. It's $14 and it is inspired by Austin Powers. It's capped at 200 bottles and it is described as being a vibrant, almost neon fuchsia jelly full of rainbow iridescent color shifting flakes. I'm loving rainbow shifting flakes right now. I've got them on my nails now. I'm wearing Rogue Lacquer's Creative Chaos from their Imagineering collection as a topper. Loving rainbow flakes right now, but the price tag is hanging me up on this one. I have a couple Lily Pad Lacquer, but I just think 11 milliliters, $14 is kind of steep. But my goodness, this polish does look beautiful. And for having a jelly base, it looks super saturated. I don't see really any nail line in any of these swatches, which is making me want to grab this, but I don't know. I'm going to have to think about it. Not that it really matters that it's 11 milliliters. I'm not going to finish it, but it's the principle, right? I don't really want to pay $14 for 11 milliliters of product. We'll see though. It is really pretty. This one I am 100% absolutely getting. It's the one that convinced me I have to shop this month. It's from Georg Couture and it's called Me and You, Us Never Apart. It's $13. It is not capped. Thank goodness. And it is described as being a purple to clear subtle thermal with violet to gold to blue to green magnetic shift. Okay, did not realize this one was a thermal. Purple to clear. Wait a second. What? I was just drawn in by the magnetic. I saw Hey Mercedes swatch this one on her Instagram and my jaw dropped. I started drooling immediately. I was like, I'm shopping this month. I have to have it. The gorgeous, oh my gosh, shift in the magnetic line from blue to purple to pink looks remarkable. Oh my gosh, are you seeing this? I don't really see there's Hey Mercedes swatch. It's so pretty. I'm not really seeing the transition though that they were talking about. I guess I can see it here, the purple at the tips and then the clear there. I don't know that it really matters to me that it's a thermal. Honestly, I run warm all the time. unless I'm outside in the cold. So I don't know that I will really see much of that beautiful purple base. And that's one thing that made me really want to buy this. So now I'm having second thoughts, y'all. Do I need this? I feel like I do, but let me know what you think. And then I do have some non-polish products, polish related products, I guess. The first one comes from Cuticle. It's their base coat, their mic drop base coat, and the scent Champagne Toast. It's $9. It is not capped. Hooray. And it is described as having a scent of effervescent blend of champagne, juicy nectarine, and black currant. This is one of my go-to base coats. I have like 3 that I rotate between, and I'm hoping to get a favorite base coat, top coat video out here pretty soon. But this is the one that I'm wearing now. It's the one that I use pretty much all the time, and I've repurchased it over and over and over. I love it because it is ridge filling. It also is sticky and it's strengthening. So I feel like it does everything. It also helps me with staining. It's kind of a milkier base coat, and I find milkier base coats help me in general with staining. It is kind of on the expensive side for a base coat, but I'm serious. I've probably purchased this 10 times or more. Totally worth it in my opinion. I will be grabbing this because it's convenient. Another product that I think I might get is the heel stick from Restored Naturally. This one's called New Year, New Feet. It's going to retail for $12.75. I'm sure it's capped. Yep, 75. And I've heard great things about this product. People have gushed about it after it came out in PPU for the first time last year. I've purchased it as a gift, but I've not used it myself. And I'm interested in it, so I might get it. We'll see. And then the last product that I am 100% getting is KB Shimmer's Hand and Body Scrub this month. It's in the scent Zesty Lemon. Oh my gosh, I must have it. It's going to be $10. There's no cap. There's never a cap on this product. And it's inspired by lemons. Shocker. So this is supposed to smell like lemon zest as well as juicy grapefruit. It's got white musk notes and citrus notes. Yeah. Fresh, tart, and sweet. Sounds perfect. I love anything citrusy, but especially lemon. I might even buy a couple extra of these because I know I'm going to love this scent. And I have quite a few backups. I think I've got 4 of these in my drawer. I don't really need to buy new ones, but I need this scent, so I'm going to get it. So those are all the items that I'm thinking of grabbing for this month's Polish Pickup Shop. Let me know down in the comments what you're thinking of grabbing. What should I get? I'm going to try to narrow it down to like 3 polishes and then probably a couple of IPU items. Is there anything I missed? Anything that you are eyeing that you can't believe isn't on my wish list? Let me know that too. I hope y'all are doing well, that you're having a great start to your 2023, and I will talk to you later. Bye.